Look what happened here. What a day for the markets. Woo. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, April the 20th. And what a day. My goodness gracious. What looked like was going to be a potential up day turns into a nightmare as they are clobbering all the indexes across the board. The Russell's down over 500, and of course the Dow's down a couple of hundred. But in the meantime, they just reversed everything and decided that this is it, and they're going to give them a flush. So not unusual. We've been looking for some sort of a sell-off. In the meantime, again, so it's not like a total shock. Like, I can't believe I'm going to fall off my chair here. In the meantime, this update is being brought to you by our friends at the CTG Group, and of course are one of our brokerage partners. We do have other brokers, but for our letter of direction trading, for our algorithms, and for our general recommendations, great customer service, we love CTG. They do a great job. Plus, they've got some great managed futures products. You want to check them out, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, as I said, all the indexes are getting hammered. The metals have turned around and are rallying. And as I wrote for Kitco this morning, the volatility in metals indicates that a bigger move is coming. And we would think, based on the action, and especially because we're now long gold, we would expect it to be higher. And I would expect to see silver reversing here shortly. The bond markets were lower, and they've suddenly spiked higher. Of course, you have a little bit of fear showing in the market here, which is also driving the dollar slightly higher. But the dollar is ugly, and we're still short dollars. We're long treasuries, and we're still short the 10 years. Okay. Net gas is a little bit lower. Copper is a little bit higher. We have reversed copper and now long. So as I said yesterday, this is a little bit of a whipsaw, which does happen in these consolidating markets, but that's life in the big city. No worries. And crude oil is getting pummeled. So suddenly, obviously, something must have been said somewhere, probably a news item of sort. But we know that OPEC's mission is to take as much as they can. So I'm sure they're not thrilled about what's going on either, but there's obviously a news item that if it's not out yet, it will be, because obviously oil does not make moves down about $2 right now out of nothing. So we'll see what's driving the selling, but it doesn't really matter. We are long crude at the moment, but again, we don't get involved, nor do we get concerned intraday, because at the end of the day, it's about where the market's closed, not about the emotional or irrational behavior that goes on between the opening hours of the markets. Now, as we look into the grain markets, they're exploding higher. You've got corn up about 15, wheat up about 20, soybeans up about 28 cents. And the meats, the hogs are higher again, although we're short. Feeder and fat cattle are both lower. Again, we're with the trend, with the exception of now hogs, which the last couple of days have gone higher. We'll see. Are they going to reverse and go back up to the upside, or is this just the dead cat bounce we figured was going to come? And as we take a look at the softs, cotton is higher, we're long. OJ is getting hammered, we're short. Coffee is higher, we're long. Sugar is higher, we're long. And cocoa is getting cracked, and we're short. So pretty good in the soft department. In the meantime, again, you just got to remember, don't let the emotional swings during the day. That is what hurts more people, is the irrational exuberance that takes place during the day, the irrational trading. Be calm, take a deep breath, and let the markets trade, and stand by your rules. In the meantime, on Saturday at noon Eastern, we'll be doing our hedging webinar. It'll be the last one until the fall. So if you want to get hedged, if you got any concerns, this is the time to look at it. And don't forget our other brokerage partner, which is Tradier. Now, again, as I always give you full disclosure, we do have other brokers, but at Tradier, how can you beat $10 a month? That's the first thing I say to you all the time. It's $10 a month. I'm saving enough to fund my profit sharing. Okay. So, you can save a lot of money or you can pay more. That's up to you. In the meantime, we also, through Trader, because we've got their APIs, offer the ability to auto trade your portfolio if you want. That is your decision, your choice. We don't touch the money. And again, you don't have to do it that way, nor do you have to go through Trader, but you do have the opportunity, and it is no cost. So there you have it, $10 a month in free auto trading. So it's kind of hard to beat if the way I look at it. Our friends and partners at Family Farms, obviously we're all celebrating today with the big rally in the grains, and all of my farmers that are hedged and prepared, we're going to roll up our hedges probably tomorrow and lock in a higher basis. But again, that's what it's about. That's what Family Farms is about helping take care of our farmers and putting them always in the best position. And of course, don't forget about the commodity report. Andy Hecht, who does the Monday call with me, is the best in the industry. You can't believe the information he spews out and understands, and he puts that all in writing for you in his report on a weekly basis. In fact, you get 2 parts a week, and you get quarterlies. It's unbelievable. You got to check it out. Go to BUBBATrading.com, call Technomental. And don't forget our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Relax. Don't let the intraday swings ruin your day. Don't get involved in the intraday volatility. Let the markets trade, follow your rules, and be ready to rock. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.